Yes, Aliago, yeah, Miss Chief Doctor Gode Hiwario. This is Yamban. Let's continue to work. Let's work. This a very great farmer. Without doubt, it's the highest in Delta State, and the highest farmers in Nigeria. It's just this Yamban at Aliago, Agbo, the Kasa local government area of the state. See Yamban, we're still working. Still working. This is a Yamban of one man. Solo effort. Is it on this? Since when have you been on this?
Yeah, I'm about 45 years.
45 years ago, been on this. And he has not relented. He has not, imagine where we're coming from. He has not abandoned it. It's an occupation I is very proud of. He's also mentoring his children to be part of this effort. You can see and work of one man and work of one man. That's Mr. Chief Doctor Gode Hiwario. About this one, all for this year's harvest, have you?
Yeah.
This year alone.
Yes.
This harvest.
I have another band.
Another band?
Yes, but I did that with you.
Okay, another band
yeah.
added to this one.
It's normal.
So you said you started 45 years ago, you've been on this business.
Yeah.
Okay. And has there been any support from?
No support.
No support. Just your solo effort, you've been able to do this.
Normal.
Doing it with your family and
my workers.
Okay. I know that you playing a part majorly in the area of food production. Has anybody come to acknowledge that? Anybody that say what you are doing is so great?
Yeah, nobody came.
They are yet to come.
Yeah.
Okay. Before let's go to the other band for not to see again. It's very wonderful. Okay. It's lovely. Look at Yamban.